Welcome to Anyone Can Learn to Code. In this episode, I would like to demonstrate how every instance method inside of a class has the ability to call another instance method inside the very same class. So if you have two methods, each instance method is actually able to call each other. Let me demonstrate. In a previous episode, we created a dog class. Essentially, this dog class has three main attributes, namely name, breed, and age. Below the class, we actually use it to create a new dog. In this case, we are creating a 1-year-old poodle named Fifi. And then we take that information and we display it in a user-friendly format using this sentence. Again, if we run this in the terminal, we'll see the sentence, "This dog is a 1-year-old poodle named Fifi." Now, let's take this functionality of creating a sentence out of the dog's attributes and create a new instance method inside the dog class that will actually do just that. Let's create a new instance method called info. And we want this instance method to return essentially this very string that displays information about the dog in a user-friendly format. So we're going to take this code and put it inside the instance method and return this string. Now, in our code below, all we have to say is puts dog.info. By calling the info method on the dog instance, it triggers this info instance method, which returns this string. However, there is one important change that we're going to have to make to the code inside the info method. And you can see that we say, this dog is and we concatenate that with dog.age. And we concatenate the rest of the sentence with dog.breed and dog.name. Since now this code has been moved inside an instance method, we no longer should be referencing dog because this dog was referencing a dog instance that we created on line 39. However, right now this code is existing inside the actual instance method within the class. Instead, we'll simply lop these off. And the reason this works is because of the rule that we are introducing in this episode. And that is that every instance method can call any other instance method within the same class. So we are inside the info instance method, but we can call the age method, which returns the @age instance variable, and then we convert that number to a string. We can also call breed, which is referencing the breed instance method within the same class, and we can also reference name, which is the name instance method in the same class. So again, when we call age and breed and name, we are actually calling these other instance methods of the same class. And as we can see, the code still works.